Hi everyone, Mixed Media Girl here. So this is the next painting in my collab with MelyD. And as you can probably see here, I have a pendulum bucket. Now I've been meaning to set one of these up for literally about 2.5 years. And finally took the time yesterday with my husband to get it set up. So in this collab series with MelyD, in case you guys haven't seen any of our previous videos, we're doing white, black, and then one additional color in each video. So in the last video we did white, black, and magenta. In the one before that we did white, black, and yellow. And this time we're doing white, black, and teal. And I'm kind of trying to use this as an opportunity to basically think outside the box on my paintings and try something new. So for this, I'm going to do white and black on the canvas first, and then I'm going to put the teal in the bucket and swing that. So this just has one hole in the bottom, and this is, like I said, my first time trying this, so who knows. And this is the boring part where I'm basically going to just get the canvas covered with white and black. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up. Okay, so I got this mostly covered. Now before I actually start with the pendulum, I'm going to use a hair dryer to move this around and just, I don't want a solid line here. I want to blend it a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will turn the sound down for this because I don't think anyone wants to listen to the hair dryer. So here we go. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with that. This is going to be a pretty funky painting already, I can tell. All right, so I'm putting this back up here, and this does have a hole in the bottom, so I'm going to plug that up while I fill it. I'm not exactly sure how much to put in here, so I'm a little worried that I might put too much. Well, I want to fix one little black spot over here. But I guess we'll try it out and see what happens. So here we go. And I definitely went on the bluer side for this teal. I only plan on swinging it once, so I want to make sure that there's plenty of paint in here. All right, and I hope that the hole in the bucket is big enough. Here we go. Okay, let's see. And also I don't want to swing it too far. All right. I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay. Pause. Paint is too thick or hole is too small. So I'm going to actually pour the paint out of here back into my cup, my bottle. And I'm going to thin it down a bit. And then we're going to try that again. And I'm not going to stress about those drops. But hey, you know, lesson learned. Did not try this out before the video. So maybe I should have. Okay. Okay. I thinned out the paint a little bit more, and I made the hole a little bit bigger. So let's try this again. I think it was really just the paint being too thick. All right, here we go. There we go. Perfection. And now we just let that go until it's done. And as you can see, because the circle's getting smaller, the pattern is going to be changing. And yeah, I'm not going to worry about those initial drips, but I think definitely some practice with this will help. And I also need to practice swinging it in different directions. Okay, it's turning a bit, which is really exciting. Now I think once it starts to empty though, it starts dripping, and I don't want that. You know what? I think I'm just gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave it. I actually really like that. It is wild and funky and crazy, and we've got a snake head over here, which is really cool. So let's do this. I have plenty of time with this painting to let it dry and then show you guys the dried product before I post the video. So we're gonna just let this fully dry and we'll see how it looks. All right, be back. All right, here it is dry. I am super happy with it. It's really funky, but very cool. The teal came out a little darker than I wanted. I guess I could have done a brighter color, but overall, super duper duper happy with it. I think it looks great, very funky. Here's the snake head. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to go check out Melly's video, and I'll see y'all next time.